World No Tobacco Day recreated project. This is the reference picture take from Pinterest. Use the A3 size chart paper and fold it in half and mark the center. Take a colored A4 sheet and apply glue on both sides of A3 chart paper and stick it.
Some days are bad, bad at best.
I printed the photo on 4 sheets of paper to make it a little bigger.
I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free. Misery is a showy state of bad company.
Now I have to make the cigarette on the skeleton's face. For that I'm using white paper.
You came along and lifted me up.
Now we need to have some mountains. For that, take A4 paper. Cut it out like this by hand. Use double-sided tape and glue to rip off everything else.
Goodbye. Hanging on.
Now let's create the cigarette smoke effect by using cottons.
Some days I got no use for it all. Working hard, making
Now use brown and black colors to make the cigarette look like it has been burned and color it in the same way.
bad at best.
So that's all. Now let's write down some things we can do to stay healthy, as well as some things that can happen if we use drugs. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and support.
I set to thinking I could make something of me, playing every game except the lottery, serving everybody else and told myself I'm free.